Hello and welcome to our last section here for the initial setup for your CertSecure manager. I'm going to go through setting up things like SMTP, Teams, and ServiceNow. Any other third-party platforms will be displayed here like Slack or any other integrations that you have. Over here on the left, you'll click on miscellaneous and come to service setup. That's where I am now. And you will set things like your host, port, email ID, and password. I have those things in here already. I'm going to set a password real quick. And then once you have all that information, you will click save. To get the host and the port for your SMT setup, that will be available on your email support page or the client settings. So you can grab those two things from there, and then the email ID and the associated password. Click save and you'll see it pops up with data updated successfully. Then once you have that set up, you can come to this test section and you can set an email to test to make sure that that email is working correctly and SMT is set up. All right, so the next thing I'm going to go through is setting up Teams and how to get this webhook from Microsoft Teams. So first, I'll come down here to my Microsoft Teams, and I am in the Teams section. You can configure this for any channel you'd like, but I'm going to set up a separate channel for this. I'm going to select my team, and channel name, I'm going to set it as CertSecure Alerts. And we're going to select a channel type. You can do whatever you'd like here. Any configurations or description that you would want here, you can set up for yourself. Click create. Then once that is created, you can come here and manage the channel. Expand this connectors tab down here and click edit. Once you're in here, you'll go to the search bar and type incoming for incoming webhook and click add. And add it. Once you have that added, it'll automatically set you up for a webhook, and I'm going to set the name as the same as my channel name. And click create. Now it'll give you your webhook. You can come here and copy that and then click done. Now coming back to our CertSecure manager, you can take that webhook and paste it here and click configure. Once you do that, it'll give you some specific configurations for your team setup. If you want all of these or some of these, you can set them up for your environment specifically. But there's things like creation, revocation, renewal, expiration, and expiration alerts. Once you do that, you can click save, and you're all set up for your teams. Next, we'll go through our ServiceNow setup. This will require a ServiceNow account. To get the instance URL, you will go to your ServiceNow account. And to get to this page, you'll come to ServiceNow. You'll click your icon in the top here once you've logged in. You'll go to My Profile and Settings. Then you'll come back up here and go to Now Profile. Once you're here, you'll click Share Profile and copy that link. Then you'll come back to your CertSecure Manager, paste that URL. You'll input your username and your password. I'm going to set this again. And click save. Now, once that goes through, you'll have your ServiceNow account all set up for your CertSecure environment. Like I said before, any third-party platforms like Slack will be displayed here and have setups for those as well. That's just about going to wrap us up. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the full playlist, go to Encryption Consulting on YouTube and find our playlist there for all of our quick demos.